The Mercedes EQE SUV will conclude the German carmaker's EQ offensive when it premieres in late 2022.
It will offer improved space, features, and performance compared to the GLE.
Here's what to expect from the all-electric Mercedes EQE SUV. In terms of design, expect similarities with the EQS SUV. It's likely to come with a black closed-off grille, curved headlamp housing, and an A-shaped lower air intake. It will also be sleeker, sportier, and more aerodynamic than the GLE. Flush-fitting door handles and tires wrapped around aero-optimized alloys are likely to be standard. The rear will be uncluttered with smooth surfacing on the tailgate, full-width LED tail lamps, and a clean bumper design. The EQE SUV's interior will be similar to the EQE sedan, and the 55.5-inch MBUX hyperscreen will be optional.
The instrument cluster would measure 12.3 inches, while the central display and OLED touchscreen would measure 17.7 inches.
The front passenger will always stay entertained thanks to the dedicated 12.3-inch OLED touchscreen on the co-driver's side.
Even without the hyperscreen, the cabin will feel tech-laden thanks to the new standard layout that we first saw on the latest generation S-Class. Expect the electric SUV to come with a range of features including active ambient lighting, pre-entry climate control, Burmester audio, rear axle steering, and adaptive air suspension, among other features.
The Mercedes EQE SUV should also be hardware ready for Level 3 autonomous driving.
It will be smaller in dimensions than the EQS SUV, helping owners negotiate tighter spaces with relative ease.
The battery packs and motors are likely to be borrowed from the EQE sedan. Initially, Mercedes may launch the EQE SUV 350 with a 90 kWh battery delivering over 400 miles of range. It might have an output of around 288 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque. Its AMG derivative, the EQE 53 SUV, will likely arrive later, with a 90.6 kWh battery pack and two motors producing 617 horsepower and 701 pound-feet of torque. The EQE SUV will be built at the brand's Tuscaloosa plant in Alabama, where the EQS SUV is already in production.
U.S. launch is expected in the first half of 2023, with prices starting at around $75,000.
It will rival the Tesla Model X, Audi Q6 e-tron, BMW iX, and the Polestar 3.
If you like this video, subscribe to Top Electric SUV and hit the bell icon to stay notified of all the latest electric vehicle news.